Do you dream of working from home? Do you long for freedom and flexibility? Imagine working from a beach, a coffee shop, or your couch. Remote work is changing how we earn a living. It's time to ditch the office and embrace a new way of working. Remote work means you can work from anywhere with an internet connection. You can travel the world and work from exotic locations. You can spend more time with your loved ones. Remote work gives you the freedom to design your ideal lifestyle. Picture yourself working while traveling on a train or from a rooftop terrace. The possibilities are endless with remote work. Finding legitimate remote jobs can be tough. Many websites promise easy money, but they are often scams. It's easy to get lost in a sea of fake job postings. It can be discouraging to spend hours searching for jobs, only to come up empty-handed. Many people give up on their remote work dreams. They think it's too good to be true. They settle for traditional jobs that make them unhappy. But there is a better way. According to a recent study, 60% of remote job listings are scams. Experts say it's crucial to verify job postings before applying. Some people think remote work is only for techies. They think you need to be a coder or a programmer, but that's not true. Remote jobs exist in almost every field. Are you a writer, a virtual assistant, a teacher, or maybe a graphic designer, customer service rep, or project manager? There are remote jobs for you. Companies are embracing remote work now more than ever. Don't limit your options. Hear from remote workers in various fields about their experiences and how they thrive working remotely. DeepSeek is a platform that connects job seekers with legitimate remote jobs. We carefully vet every job posting to ensure its authenticity. We partner with reputable companies that offer real opportunities. DeepSeek makes finding remote jobs easy and stress-free. Our platform is user-friendly and intuitive. We offer a wide variety of remote job opportunities across different industries. Hear from our users who have found success with DeepSeek, trusted by top companies worldwide. Meet Shalin. From Cubicle to Coastline, Shalin was tired of her soul-crushing office job. She dreamed of working from home but didn't know where to start. She tried other job boards but they were full of scams. Then she found DeepSeek. Within weeks, Shalin landed a remote writing job that allowed her to work from anywhere. She finally had the freedom and flexibility she craved. Shalin is now living her best life, working from her beachfront balcony. Her journey from a cubicle to a coastline is an inspiration for anyone seeking a remote lifestyle. Shalin advises others to stay persistent and explore platforms like DeepSeek to find legitimate remote opportunities. Entity browsing jobs on DeepSeek. DeepSeek makes finding remote jobs easy. Just create a free account and start browsing. You can search by keyword, location, and job type. Save your favorite jobs and apply with one click. DeepSeek has jobs for all skill levels. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting, there is a remote job for you. We have full-time, part-time, and freelance opportunities. Hear from our users. DeepSeek helped me find my dream job. I love the flexibility DeepSeek offers. Start your journey with DeepSeek today and unlock the potential of remote work. Getting hired on DeepSeek. DeepSeek helps you put your best foot forward. Create a standout profile that highlights your skills and experience. Our platform provides tips and resources to help you ace your interviews. We connect you with top companies hiring remote workers. DeepSeek gets your application seen by the right people. Success stories show that a well-crafted profile makes all the difference. Follow our tips and you could be the next success story on DeepSeek. DeepSeek, your path to success. DeepSeek is more than just a job board. We are a community of remote workers who support and encourage each other. Join our forums to connect with other remote professionals, share advice, and get inspired. We believe everyone deserves the freedom and flexibility of remote work. DeepSeek is committed to helping you achieve your remote work goals. Hear from our community members about their journeys and successes. Remote work offers numerous benefits beyond just flexibility. It can lead to increased productivity, better work-life balance, and reduced stress. Many remote workers report higher job satisfaction and overall happiness. Companies also benefit from remote work by accessing a global talent pool and reducing overhead costs. Embrace the future of work with remote opportunities. Start your remote work journey today and unlock your potential. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. To succeed in remote work, it's essential to have the right tools. Communication tools like Slack and Zoom keep you connected with your team. Project management tools like Trello and Asana help you stay organized. Time management tools like Toggle and Rescue Time ensure you stay productive. Equip yourself with these tools to thrive in a remote work environment. Remote work comes with its own set of challenges, such as isolation, distractions, and maintaining work-life balance. However, these challenges can be overcome with the right strategies. Set up a dedicated workspace, establish a routine, and take regular breaks. Stay connected with colleagues through virtual meetings and social interactions. With these solutions, you can enjoy the benefits of remote work while minimizing the challenges. Start your remote work journey today. Don't wait any longer to pursue your remote work dreams. DeepSeek is here to help you every step of the way. Sign up for a free account and start browsing remote jobs today. The world is your office. What are you waiting for?